Kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will be writing from 1 to 15. Let us get started. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 Let's read one by one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 Thank you kids. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.